Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my mum got from Home Bargain.
What did you get from Home Bargains?
So,
Are you sure this not be nonsense?
No, I don't know.
We'll see. It's a Bluetooth touch light, touch controlled color changing speaker. Micro SD card slot.
Okay.
Go on, open it. Yours. Do you want to get your scissors?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
This could take some time, you know. You're just picking it with your nails. You're going to break your nail or something.
I mean, my nails are very...
We're going to do this video. The battery's going to run out on that thing, you know.
Oh.
Should we get your scissors?
Yeah.
Should have them there anyway. Useless, us. We're useless. There you go. Oh, pretty nice off there.
Yeah, I knew it, yeah.
Well, wait a minute. You got to do the sides, yeah? Quickly do it. Let's quickly do it. This battery may run out, so it'll be one of those convoluted videos where we have two parts because the battery runs out on the thing.
Yes.
You insisted on wanting to do it now.
I just got it and I wanted
Go on,
it.
open it. You open it. Go on.
Ooh, that's very
Let's see if
nice.
it works really good.
Okay.
Go on, pull it out then. That's plastic.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. So right, actually, it looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What's it hand? Right.
Ooh, wow.
So go on, show everyone.
oh, okay,
lighty
so...
bit.
Yeah, that's a...
Accelerate with the E bit rubbed off a bit. Accelerate.
The E-bit's rubbed off.
Yeah, a bit.
Let's see.
Not bad. I'm just kidding. It's cool, man. No way, you're doing cool. So what's this for holding it upside down?
I guess.
Walk around a bit. Okay, so you got some pads here, haven't you? To sticky pads. I think you can take these bits off. There's pads on the bottom you can take off.
Cable.
Hey?
Yeah.
There's like pads, there's like the plastic film on the pad, yeah? But we're not going to do that yet. So just go on, do it then. Do you charge
there's
it?
Cable.
Cable.
Like earphones?
No.
Headphones?
No, jack for connect it from here.
Alright.
You crazy fool. From here into your phone, but it won't go in there because you're... That's a bit useless.
Ooh, did you hear that?
But come on,
Very
then
nice.
connect it up then. It's quickly
Okay,
connect it.
let me turn it on. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, here we go. Oh, light. Yeah, that's good. Colour change.
It gets lighter when you touch it on the top. Hey,
It's light when touch it on top.
Let's do light.
Full charge speaker before using. Connects to USB cord included. Or similar power source. Okay. Color changing. Speaker. Switch to the speaker to Bluetooth pairing mode. Turn speaker on.
Yes.
You want to do it? Do it. Let's turn speaker on.
The
Press mode button so you can hear the indicator tone or the status of the LED with flash blue. The speaker is now pairing mode. Go on then, Bluetooth. You have to press mode button. Where's the mode button?
at the bottom.
The mode button, no, here. Go here. Go on then. Have you got something? What is it? What is it? Have you got anything? Echo Dot, what's that Echo Dot?
Turn on.
You don't know? Sure that's not it?
Nope. That's the Alexa.
Touch light, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Pairing. Ah,
Hey,
it's pairing. Oh,
just go.
go, try it then. Oh, it's on.
Yes.
Try it, put something on there
Okay.
and see if it does a speaker thing. Come on, what's on?
I'm gonna put some YouTube shorts.
Today I'm gonna find out what's the most. Guess the drawing level super easy. Come on, bro, don't disrespect my intelligence like this. It's obviously the top left one. Unless this is a trick one. This could be a trick one. Or the
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things.
Her golden retriever is at the front door crying.
Yes, it works.
Left the house.
Yeah, it does work. Look.
Did it work? Go on.
Yeah, look.
not knowing she was still there. So she snuck up on him, and this was his hilarious reaction, shocked when he saw her home.
That's cool. So it's put a video.
Her golden retriever was at the front door crying, thinking his owner left the house, not knowing she was still there. So she snuck up on him, and this was his hilarious reaction, shocked when he saw her home.
And that's not my phone because
Her golden retriever was at the front
So you
door
can turn the
crying,
volume up a
thinking
bit.
his
Turn
owner
let's
left
turn
the
the volume, see how
house,
high
not
live
knowing
it.
she was still there. So she snuck up on him, and this was his hilarious reaction, shocked when he saw her home.
What's this?
Her golden retriever was...
okay. Wait, pause that.
How'd you change the colour then?
Let me see. It says
Why is it touching the top? What's that do?
it just makes it brighter.
Hmm. What about the change of colour? Why is the colour not
Yeah,
changing?
let me see.
Coloured mode. They've got colour change LED light mode. Turn speaker on. Tap and hold top of the speaker for about 2 seconds. To warm light mode. So you can change 2 seconds switch from LED light from warm LED light mode to colour changing light mode. Gone.
So how?
Do just look 2 seconds from. It'll change colour from warm. It'll go from it says 2 seconds to switch LED button from warm LED light mode. Yeah.
Wait, let me turn it.
So where's the light? Okay, go on, turn it on again. Okay, go on. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And then
No, leave it. Leave it. Just see if it changes colour. Go on, change colour. Go on. So, what do you think of the speaker? Is it good?
yes, it's sick.
You like it?
Yeah.
How much it cost?
£9.
£9. That's not bad, you know. But why is it staying red? Oh, there you go. So, what?
You just tap it up.
Ah, right. That's all right. You like it?
Yes.
What colour are you gonna have it?
You hold it if you want to go back to normal.
So we're going to look at it a bit, but I think it's all right. I think it's pretty cool. It's not everything lardy-da fancy, not expensive. £9 is a bargain, actually. You can listen to music using the micro SD card slot. You're not going to do that, though, are you? That's another option you got. Pairing your device to repaired it, that's fine. Right, talking using Bluetooth speaker. Answering incoming call. Press phone button once to answer incoming call. Reject call. Long press on phone button. After phone conversation short press. So it's got a microphone and a speaker.
Oh yeah, on the side.
That's brilliant. So you've got micro SD card. You've got the normal. You've got micro SD thing. It's got the old style, normal socket charging thing, USB thing. Auxiliary. So you can connect this in, and then you can connect it directly to a phone. But the thing is, it's a bit wide. So we've got a phone thing. It don't really fit.
Yep. Well, that's because my phone case is huge.
Your phone case is huge. Will it fit in mine?
Your phone case is huge as well.
It don't fit in mine because my finger. Because the opening is. This is too fat. Too
No,
wide.
This is too big.
No, you sure?
If you put mommy's phone on, it will work.
Okay. Anyway, we're going to run out of battery. Right.
Oh, yeah.
So what we've got is a pretty good thing. Not bad.
No.
Normally things like Home Bargains, places like they sell pretty thingy stuff, but that's all right. That.
I know.
So, what's the plan?
I'm gonna put it in my room.
And do what with it?
I just wanted it as a light. I never knew I had a speaker.
Yeah. So that's the bonus, isn't it? I suppose you can watch and have it on speaker sound, loud sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Nice.
So you can do a lot of functions. So look, here's the functions. You can get featured Bluetooth speaker, touch controlled color change light, built-in rechargeable battery, stream music wirelessly, use hands-free speakerphone device.
Oh, look.
Wait, look, hands-free speaker device with built-in microphone, built-in micro SD card slot, and card not included, built-in auxiliary jack. So you can actually speak through this when you're on calls.
Oh.
That's alright, that. But mainly for the light and mainly for maybe use a speaker.
Yeah.
So connected to your phone anyway. The pairing was very quick, very easy. Yeah, I reckon worth it. £9.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you didn't pay anything for it, did you? You got it for nothing.
Yes.
Your mum paid for
I
it.
got it for free.
Mummy paid for it. Right. Okay. So shall we finish then?
Yes, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye.